I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion Aesthetic for College Easy Guide. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette and 2 fonts, set a clean cover image, and create template pages for classes, assignments, and notes. Use icons and dividers to add charm while keeping navigation simple. Link course schedules, sync calendars, and make quick toggles for priorities so your workspace feels intentional and saves study time daily focus. Create a masterclass dashboard that becomes your study command center and links to each course page. Build consistent sections for syllabus, assignments, readings, and exam dates so you never hunt for info. Use relation and roll-up properties to pull grades and deadlines into one view, and add a weekly study schedule and priority toggles so you can focus on what matters most while keeping the layout calm and inspiring. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study setup content. Quick recommendation: Socks Life's too short for cheap socks go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while pulling late study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep aesthetics subtle and functional so your pages feel calm and productive rather than cluttered. Restrict your palette to 3 colors and pick 2 complementary fonts for headings and body to improve readability. Use muted cover photos and small icons to add personality, and build consistent templates so every page feels familiar. Small, repeated design choices create a cohesive vibe that makes studying more pleasant and easier to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.